The United Kingdom and Ukraine have embarked on an ambitious joint drone production initiative, ushering in a new era of defense collaboration. Ukrainian Defense Minister Rustem Umerov confirmed the launch of the program, which stems from high-level talks between Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and British Prime Minister Keir Starmer. The project not only aims to increase Ukraine's drone arsenal during wartime but also positions the UK as a manufacturing base for next-generation unmanned systems. As part of the agreement, British defense firms will manufacture Ukrainian-designed drones over a period of 3 years. Funding will be provided by the UK government, while the designs, already proven in active combat, will come from Ukraine. The full production process will take place in the UK, with British industry leading execution. During the war, all manufactured drones will be supplied to the Ukrainian armed forces. After hostilities conclude, the systems will be divided between the UK and Ukraine for future use, reinforcing long-term defense ties. This program is more than a defense procurement deal, it is a blueprint for modern military collaboration. It reflects a strategic response to the evolving nature of warfare, where drones play an increasingly central role. Unlike traditional military projects, this partnership focuses on speed, adaptability, and interoperability, traits essential to today's high-stakes, rapidly shifting battlefield dynamics. While the specific models being co-produced have not been named publicly, several Ukrainian UAVs are considered likely to be included. These could range from the Shark reconnaissance drone to the compact and efficient Lelika 100, as well as Brave 1 platform loitering munitions and tactical quadcopters. These platforms are known for being modular, quick to build, cost-efficient, and effective in environments saturated with electronic countermeasures. They also align with NATO's emerging preferences for robust, scalable, and mobile drone systems. For Britain, the partnership represents a strategic upgrade to its struggling unmanned capabilities. Following the setbacks of programs like the Watchkeeper WK-450, UK defence planners are eager to adopt battle-hardened technologies. Tapping into Ukrainian innovation offers a way to rapidly modernize the UK's UAV inventory while revitalizing its defense sector. Industry giants such as BAE Systems are expected to anchor the manufacturing process, providing technical expertise and industrial capacity. At a broader level, the initiative helps integrate Ukraine into the NATO defense industrial structure, reinforcing its role as a contributor to Euro-Atlantic security. The collaboration mirrors NATO's recent strategic pivot toward faster development cycles, multinational production chains, and the agile deployment of technology across member states. It's a signal that Ukraine is not just a recipient of aid, but an emerging defense innovator. From Kyiv's perspective, this program eases the burden on domestic production lines stretched thin by the demands of war. For London, it means bolstering its own supply chains while establishing itself as a future hub for NATO standard drone production. The bilateral nature of the deal ensures that both countries gain not just materials but industrial momentum. Calling the endeavor a mega-project, Umerov emphasized both its immediate military relevance and its long-term implications for defense cooperation. President Zelensky echoed that sentiment, thanking the UK for its steadfast support and describing the project as a major leap forward in technological integration and strategic partnership. Ultimately, this UK-Ukraine drone alliance is more than a wartime necessity, it's a transformative model for how NATO members and partners can pool strengths to meet 21st-century threats head-on. By translating battlefield innovation into scalable production, the program enhances not only national defense capabilities but the collective resilience of the Euro-Atlantic alliance.